Alright, what's up, boys? I'm going to tell you guys how I took this winning trade on ES today. Here's a trade. It was a 2.29 risk to reward, and I got in right off of this rejection candle on the 1 minute, and then I got filled way down here somehow. But I'll tell you guys how I got the trade and what made me want to take this. I can't see my face right now because I'm using a different screen recording option, so hopefully this works. But yeah, here was the trade for today. I didn't take anything on NASDAQ. NASDAQ wasn't really favoring what I wanted to get to, and I'll tell you guys why. And I'll just get right into that. Anyways, starting out the day, we had market open. We had this hourly fair value gap right here. Or not this hourly fair value gap. This hourly low right here. And then on NASDAQ, we had the same thing, but NASDAQ went a whole lot lower. And hit this, and hit this. So NASDAQ went way lower, and proceeded. That's why. I was on the completely wrong day. Anyways. Wow, that's brutal. Alright, now let's get into the actual day that I traded. So what happened? Price went down right here. Hit right here on NASDAQ. Right away, I was preferring NASDAQ just because it went lower, and I'll tell you guys why I didn't take a trade on NASDAQ, and I wish I could have, but there's just no opportunities for me to take a trade today. Anyways, market opens. We have a huge down candle, more down candles. These hourly lows get taken out. And if you guys are following my strategy, you guys will know all I need is a 5-minute retrace. So I look at the 15-minute, and I see this for liquidity. I see this for liquidity. I also see this. Same thing on NASDAQ. Right here, right here, right here. So I'm just waiting for a 5-minute retrace. We get a 5-minute retrace right at 9:05, right before the macro closes. And as you guys can see, NASDAQ is way up higher, already took out this 15-minute high, this 15-minute high as well. And ES only took out, or didn't even take out this 15-minute high yet. So what do I look at? I look for a 5-minute confluence. Boom. This 5-minute confluence gets filled, this inverse fair value gap. So what do? I entered very, very prematurely, but it ended up working out for me. I entered right here, and I put stops just below there. And I targeted right there. I also got filled right here. So I got filled with a 14 tick stop loss and a 32 risk to reward. And it was a 2.29. And honestly, I'm really pissed because I only made 900 from this. And I should have easily made 2,000 from this because I usually risk 1,000 per trade. So I just didn't have enough risk because I thought that I was going to get filled way up here. And it's just kind of the way it worked for today. So that's why I'm kind of irritated with this trade. But a win's a win. And even though it was small, it ended up working. Also, on NASDAQ, you could have taken this trade. We had this, and then 5-minute retrace, and you could have targeted this 15-minute high. This one would have been a lot better for your risk to reward, and you probably would have gotten filled right here. Stops just say below there. Obviously, way better risk to reward. Actually, literally 0.2 better risk to reward. And you're in this for 300 ticks compared to 32. So yeah, I don't know. I took this trade on ES. I'm going to make this quick because I got a lot of shit to do today. But anyways, I got filled right down here. I didn't risk nearly as much as I should have. and ended up only making $900, I think. So kind of irritating. Should have been a lot bigger of a day, but I also couldn't expect price to, rip down and fill me right down here. And I was expecting price to fill me right up here. So that would have changed the entire thing with my risk. And yeah, other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully this helped you guys understand why I took this trade. And I mean, yeah, this is how price turned out. Obviously, I could have targeted this, but it just didn't follow my rules. I mean, I could have got a 5.86 risk to reward, but it didn't follow my rules, and I wasn't willing to take that at all. Could have even targeted the highs, because whatever. Price was very easy today. If you didn't take a winning trade today, that's okay, but understand that this is probably as easy as price gets. So being able to take this kind of trade was really, it was pretty easy. This was a very beginner level trade, I would say. And I would say today was very beginner friendly. Hopefully that means price is going back to normal a little bit. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys for trading on the daily time frame. We even got a huge retracement from DeepSeek or whatever the hell it's called. Cryptos, just back and forth in this price right here. There's nothing going on right now. Doge, Bitcoin's up. Nvidia is going back up. It's at 125 right now. And yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. Not too much to worry about, honestly. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. If this helped you guys, let me know. And yeah, that's all I got. Peace.